5th grade, Chapter 4, Lesson 5, Multiplying Money. A group of friends go to a local fair. Jason spends $3.75. Maya spends 3 times as much as Jason. Tia spends $5.25 more than Maya. How much does Tia spend? Use the graphic organizer below to help you solve the problem. What do I need to find? So I need to find
how much Tia spends.
Okay, so the amount of money Tia spends at the fair. What information do I need to use? I need to use the amount spent by, who do we need to use first? Jason. To find the amount spent by, okay, Maya. And who else? Tia. At the fair. How will I use the information? So I can draw a diagram to show what? So first of all, who are we going to find first, guys? Jason and Maya, and then we'll be able to find Tia. So to show the amount, that Jason and Maya spend to get Tia's amount. Solve the problem. The amount of money Maya and Tia spend depends on the amount Jason spends. Draw a diagram to compare the amounts without calculating. Then use the diagram to find the amount each person spends. So Jason spent $3.75. $3.75. So Maya spends how many more? 3 times as much. So we are going to work out $3.75 times what, guys?
3
times 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. So I put a 5. I carry a 1. 3 times 7 is
21
plus 1 is
22
22. So I put a 2 and I carry the 2. 3 times 3 is
9
plus 2 is
11
11. How many places do I need to move my decimal over?
2 times
2 times. And then I need to put a dollar sign. So we need to put 375 in here, right, guys? 3 times. And then that got us what for our total? $11.25. And then what would we put in Tia's? She did all of what Maya got, and then she also did plus the 525, right? So what needs to go in each box for Tia? 375, right? And then we found that the 375, 3 times 375 got us what? So then we're going to take our $11.25 plus what, guys? $5.25. Bring down our decimal, right? 5 plus 5 is 10. There's 0. Carry our 1. 1 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And bring down the 1. So how much does that equal? $16.50. So Tia spent $16 $57.50 at the fair. Julie's savings account has a balance of $57.85 in January. By March, her balance is 4 times as much as her January balance. Between March and November, Julie deposits a total of $78.45. If she does not withdraw any money from her account, what should Julie's balance be in November? So in January, what was her balance, guys?
$57.85.
And then by March, it was 4 times as much as her January balance. And then between March and November, she deposits $78.45. So they want to know what should Julie's balance be in November. So what are we looking for, guys? Okay, so we need to find Julie's balance for November. We need to find Julie's balance for November. What information do I need to use? So, how much did she have in January? So $57.85. And then in March, it was 4 times as much as January, right? And then March to November, it says she deposited. So what does that mean? She put in money, so that means she added money, right? So add how much? $78.45. So how will I use the information? So what are we going to do, guys? What did we do in the last one? What did we set up? A chart or a diagram, right? Okay. So we will draw a diagram to find Julie's balance. Now we have to solve the problem, so we have to set up our diagram. So for January, how many boxes will we have? 1. And what will be the amount in our January box? $57.85. For March, how many boxes will we have? 4. Okay, and what will be written in each one of those boxes? $57.85. And then for February, how many boxes will we have? Yes, you're right. I put down the wrong month. So November. How many boxes will we have? 5. What will go in the first 4?
$57.85.
And then what will go in the 5th box? $78.45. Okay. Now what will be my first step? What will I need to do first for work? Am I going to add or am I going to multiply? So I'm going to multiply $57.85 times what, guys?
Times 4.
Times 4. So 4 times 5 is
20.
20. So I put a 0, carry my 2. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 2 is
34.
34. So put a 4, carry the 3. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 3 is
31.
31. And carry a 3. 4 times 5 is
20.
plus 3 is,
23.
and then I have to move my decimal over twice. So now I'm going to take $231.40 plus what? $78.45. And bring down my decimal. 0 plus 5 is
5.
4 plus 4 is
8.
1 plus 8 is
8. 9.
3 plus 7 is 10. Put a 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is
3.
So Julie's savings account balance will be
$309.85.
in November. So how does the diagram help you determine if your answer is reasonable? So how does it help us show that the answer we came up with could actually be her bank account? Does each box show how it gets bigger and bigger? Okay, so each box shows how the account increases with each month.